Yawning is one of the most intriguing behaviors we exhibit. It's almost impossible to see someone yawn without feeling the urge to do so yourself. But why is yawning so contagious? Scientists believe it might be tied to empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brain's mirror neurons might trigger the same response in us, promoting a sense of connection. Some theories suggest yawning helps regulate brain temperature and increases alertness. Interestingly, even thinking about yawning can make you yawn. This mysterious act, though seemingly simple, reveals the complex interplay between our brains and social interactions. So next time you yawn, remember, you're part of a fascinating, shared human experience.